What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're looking at the Lamborghini Reventon Roadster, a brand new recolor of this casting from the Hot Wheels Roadsters, car number 2 of 5, and it is car number 18 of 250 from the 2019 set. Check out the artwork on this one. A beautiful looking casting. Let's go ahead and open this one up. I'm liking the white theme with the green and red, and notice anything? Those are the Italian flag colors. So very fitting for this casting, and also they've released this car in red and green for the 2019 set. So they've got the Italian flag covered. I like these wheels on it, the pizza cutter wheels. Great looking tampos from the front, that open top on there. This is such a fantastic looking casting. Great detail on it. It's just so exotic looking. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think of the Lamborghini Reventon Roadster?